Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a review and a demo on Lakmé's latest launch. This is their Matte Moist Mattifying Moisturiser. This has green tea extract. You may have seen this in a couple of makeup videos. I used it as a primer. Now this retails for rupees 349 and you get 50 grams of product in here. This is what the packaging looks like. It's very cute. It has like this white and green theme. I really like it. Also, it comes in this little box. Okay, so when you initially get this, it comes full till the brim. It has like a seal, a foil seal on top which you have to rip off, and that's what the product looks like. It has this really lightweight texture. This has green tea extract and a bunch of really great ingredients. I'm going to go over that in a minute, but before I start, I wanted to describe my skin type so you guys have an idea. I have combination oily skin. By that I mean my skin leans a little more onto the oilier side than it's dry, but I do definitely have dryness like around the edges of my face, like near my chin, lower chin, but this area like my nose, the sides of my face, my cheeks, my forehead tends to get pretty oily. Also my eyelids get really oily. So that is something I wanted you guys to know. And right now I have no makeup on. I have a little bit of blush on, no foundation, absolutely no foundation, lipstick and mascara. You get around 50 grams of product for around 349 rupees. And if you take a look, I have used up this much, like this much. I've been using it for a month and a half. So this is gonna last you for at least 2 to 3 months if you're using it every single day. I use a little more than an average person since I do my makeup, I remove it, I do my makeup, I remove it. So for me, I tend to use my moisturizers or products a lot more than other people. So yeah. Okay, now moving on to the texture of the product. So it has this really nice whipped texture that melts into your skin. I was really surprised because I don't really use a lot of I haven't tried that many Lakme skincare products, and I was really surprised with this one. It has a fragrance. It has a very light green tea witch hazel fragrance which fades away within a few minutes of application. It's not very overpowering. However, if you have sensitive skin or if you are uncomfortable with scents, I recommend that you do like a patch test on the back of your neck or like on the side of your face to see if this reacts with you. Personally, I have no issues with the fragrance. It's very light and it fades away, you know, after a few minutes of it sitting on your face. You can't even tell there was any fragrance in it. For me, anything that can help control the sebum and the oil production is amazing. I love products that can be used for multiple purposes. Like for example, if you're using this moisturizer, then you don't really need a primer. You can just directly go in with your foundation right after you've used this, because this has a really nice it feels like a mattifying primer without being a primer, because it's still hydrating enough to be a moisturizer. If you have oily or combination skin, definitely give this a shot. This gives you that matte finish without even using powder. I have zero foundation on right now, just blush, little bit of lipstick and mascara. I also did my brows a little bit. But other than that, there is absolutely no foundation and no powder, and you can see that my skin is matte without looking dry. Another question that I know I'm going to get is, does it make your skin tight? It does not. It gives you the feeling of wearing like a hydrating moisturizer without looking oily or dewy. They also claim that it keeps your skin matte for up to 12 hours. Now honestly, I haven't tried it for 12 hours, but I have however worn it out for like 6 to 7 hours. I went to the club a few weeks back and I did not have to pull out my compact to do any touch-ups, which is great for me because, you know, one less step. Overall, I think it's a great product. Also, it's at a very good price and this is going to last you for 3 to 4 months. And I really hope this video was helpful in some way. Let me know in the comments below if you have already tried it out and what are your skincare concerns. We can talk about it in the comments. I will have all the links for you down below in the description box. Don't miss that. And also give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you all pretty soon. Bye bye.